Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get Discord profile theme before getting into the video. So do subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is open this card. Once you open the Discord, you simply need to click on user setting and then you need to click on profile. But first you need to click on streamer mode enable and you need to turn off the enable streamer mode. As you can see that I turn off that, you need to click on profile and here you can see the option of banner color. Click on customs and you can find different color here. So you can see that you can choose any color of your choice. Once you select the color, you simply need to click on the click and save changes here. So this is the process by which you can get Discord profile color theme. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.